Systematic position according to the Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Division phanerogams. Flowering plants. Class dicotyledones. Seeds with two cotyledon. Subclass Gamopetalae. Corolla of united petals. Series Bicarpellate. Carpels 2. Order Lamiales. Corolla bilabiate. Family Lamiaceae. Verticillaster is a special type of inflorescence. Distinguishing characters: habit, annual or perennial herbs, shrubs, presence of aromatic glands. Stem erect means upright. Branching herbaceous, occasionally woody, angular, quadrangular, solid, sometimes hairy. Leaves opposite decussate, whorl exstipulate, aromatic and gland dotted. Inflorescence generally verticillaster type. Sometimes it may be a globose head, for example acrocephalus. Branched spike, panicle sign. Flowers sessile. Bracteate. Hermaphrodite means bisexual. Zygomorphic type, hypogynous, complete and pentamerous. Calyx, number of sepals 5. Gamocephalous means fused sepals. Generally persistent bilift, aestivation, valvate or imbricate type. Corolla, number of petals 5. Gamopetalous, bilabiate or bi-leafed type, 2 by 3 or 4 by 1. Imbricate, aestivation. Androecium, number of stamens 4. 2 plus 2, that is didynamous. 2 long and 2 short. Epipetalous, stamens are attached on the petals. 2 stamen, for example salvia. Staminodes are present. Filament short. Anthers bithecus. Gynoecium, number of carpels 2. Bicarpellary. Syncarpus means fused carpels. Ovary superior. Bilocular or tetralocular due to formation of falceptum. Axial placentation. Style simple, gynobasic type and stigma bifid. Fruit 4 one-seeded nutlets enclosed by the persistent calyx. For example Ocimum sanctum, floral formula and floral diagram. BR means bracteate. Zygomorphic, bisexual. Calyx 1 by 4, corolla 4 by 1. Androecium 2 plus 2, that is didynamous, 2 long 2 short. They are attached on the petal. Epipetalous condition. Bicarpellary. Syncarpus, ovary superior. Ocimum sanctum, tulsi. It is a religious plant. The juice of leaves is used in bronchitis, gastric disorders and skin disease. The leaf juice is used for cough, cold and fever, and it also relieves ear ache. The plant is mosquito repellent. Ocimum basilicum is a sabja plant. Basil oil possesses insecticidal and insect repellent properties. The plant is stomachic, carminative and stimulant. Third example, Leucas aspera. It is antifungal, antioxidant and antimicrobial activities. It is used in traditional medicine of the Philippines to treat scorpion bites. Fourth example, peppermint, Mentha piperata. It is used for treatment of indigestion, pain in joints, diarrhea, cough as well as fevers. It is a source of peppermint oil used in pharmaceutical industries, confectionaries and for flavoring. The plant is used for allaying nausea and vomiting. Number 5, Coleus barbatus. It is cultivated in garden for their ornamental value. References. Thank you very much.